Today we're talking about the Mr. Pen mechanical pencil set. I love mechanical pencils. I love pencils, I love pens, I love all of them. But what I really like about this particular set is it comes with refillable lead in multiple sizes and colored. How fun is that, as well as the erasers? So let me open it up here. I can figure out how to open it. So you can see that there are 5 different pencils, and that's because they are each a different millimeter. So there is the 2.0, you've got the zero point 0.9, 0.7, 0.5, and zero point 0.3. And the colored is for the 2.0, so the largest. And you've got a refill for each one, and then plenty of the erasers. So, whether you are looking for mechanical pencils for yourself or for someone else, this is a great option, great gift idea, and I think you will be really pleased.